Perth County Ingredients is a food manufacturer serving customers around the world. When its equipment is healthy, business is healthy. But every minute of downtime can cost the company thousands. And there was a lot of downtime. Maintenance spent all day moving from one fire to the next. Luckily, that began to change when they started using Fix. The maintenance team connected Fix to its PLCs, allowing them to automatically trigger work based on equipment condition and usage.
We've seen these legacy issues fall off, i.e. like motor pump bearing replacement. They've all decreased because now they're inspected.
This project helped Perth County Ingredients cut costs by $40,000 a year. Every time a maintenance team scores a big win like this, it makes our day. So here's to Perth County Ingredients and the 3,500 other maintenance teams doing great things with Fix.